Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez, Senior Product Manager for Leatherman Tool Group. Today I'll be giving you a brief overview of all the great tools and functions of the MUT multi-purpose tool. Designed with law enforcement and military professionals, the MUT is a heavy-duty multi-tool that's built for problem solving at home or abroad. It also has a host of practical tools to clean and maintain your firearm. The MUT comes in a non-reflective black oxide finish, has 16 tools, weighs 11.2 ounces, and is 5 inches in length when closed. Now let's take a closer look at the tools and functions of the MUT. When the MUT is closed, you'll have access to the 420 HC combo knife blade. The blade can be opened easily with one hand and locks into place with the liner lock. To stow the blade, press on the lock and rotate the blade back into the handle. There's also a wood saw, hammer, replaceable cutting hook, carabiner, and bottle opener, and pocket clip. For the firearm maintenance, you'll find the bolt override tool, bronze carbon scraper, disassembly punch, and male and female 8/32 brush adapters. To access the male brush adapter, open the disassembly punch and unscrew the punch. When you open up the MUT, the main tools are the needle nose and regular pliers, hard and regular wire cutters made from premium steel, stranded wire cutters, and electrical crimper. There's also a versatile bit driver with a double-ended bit. The MUT is equipped with longer bits to help reach into tight places right on the tool. To access the longer bits, press the pin down and slide the bit out of the handle. For the smaller bit, we've designed a bit holder on the side of the tool so you don't have to misplace the bit while it's not in use. The MUT also comes with an A2 side adjuster and bit extender. This is compatible with the large bit driver on the MUT and can use Leatherman flat bits and the standard 1/4 inch bits. One last feature I'd like to point out is the safety lock on the MUT. This helps you keep your tool from opening accidentally while in use. To lock the handles, press the lock down until it engages with the handle. To unlock, disengage the lock. The MUT comes with a durable nylon sheath and is backed with our 25-year warranty. To learn more about MUT and our other great multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.